And look at this, bare carbon floor.
All 4 rims will need restoration.
The rotors are surface, they're not deeply pitted. We can have them turned or replace them if the cost is reasonable.
The crankshaft is ready to go in.
No orange peel, no dust.
Subscribe Back2Road Garage and press bell icon to stay tuned. The seals are completely perished, they'll need replacing. And look at this, bare carbon floor. This car was built purely to race.
The passenger side is slightly better. Maybe the car was parked closer to a wall. But all 4 rims will need restoration. This car has seen some serious track time.
The race number decals are original. They match the photographs from the 1994 BPR season. We should preserve them before we strip the paint.
Windshield is beyond restoration. We'll need a new Lexan screen.
The side windows are in better condition. They might be salvageable with polishing, but we'll need to test the clarity first.
Rear window is similar to the side windows. We'll test polishing on a small section first.
The dash is crazed but intact. The gauges are present at tau. We'll test them in the electrical phase.
The clear coat is gone. The paint is thin. It's going to need a full strip.
The diffuser is cracked. This is going to need professional carbon repair. We'll need to send it to a specialist.
The splitter is scraped, but it's still functional. It's designed to take this kind of abuse. We'll assess it during the disassembly.
Panel gap is off by about 2 millimeters. Could be frame, could be just the panels. We'll need to check the chassis.
It matches the provenance documents. This is the car.
The cooling hoses will need to be replaced. The engine needs to stay cool, especially he knows this is a fire hazard. All fuel lines will need to be replaced. This is non-negotiable. He knows the wiring harness will need to be rebuilt, every wire checked, every connector replaced. The harness is the car's nervous system. Confirmed. Chassis FFG J34B000087917. This is the car. Subscribe Back2Road Garage and press bell icon to stay tuned.
The car is clean. Now we can see what we're really dealing with.
The paint is thin, 72 to 88 microns. It's oxidized. We'll need to strip it and repaint.
Body panels are all present and intact. They're scratched and the paint is faded, but the carbon structures are sound. We'll need to strip the
front splitter is intact, scraped from racing, but structurally sound. We'll clean it and assess it during the disassembly. It's likely salvageable.
The rear wing is solid, carbon structure is intact. The adjusters are corroded, we'll need to replace them or restore them. The wing itself is salvageable.
The badges are original. That's rare for a car that's been through racing.
The diffuser crack is significant. This will need professional carbon in repair. We'll need to send it to a specialist.
I have the complete report. The car is a solid candidate for restoration. The structure is good. We have a clear path.
We've completed the underside inspection. The car is solid. The chassis is straight, the suspension is rebuildable, the brakes are salvageable.
Rear uprights are solid, surface rust only. The wheel bearings are intact, but we'll need to inspect them more closely during disassembly.
We have the car, we have the report, we have the plan. Now we begin. We start by removing the wheels.
Perished. They'll all need replacement. The dampers might be rebuildable, but we'll need to test them. The rotors are surface, they're not deeply pitted. We can have them turned or replace them if the cost is reasonable.
The differential is solid, surface rust only. The axle boots are cracked, we'll need to replace them. The diff fluid will need to be changed, but the unit itself seems sound. The front suspension is similar to the rear. Bushings are perished, dampers need testing. We'll plan for a full suspension rebuild.
The brake lines are corroded, we should replace them. The calipers are intact, but they'll need a rebuild. The rotors are rusted, they'll need replacement or resurfacing. The suspension components are all present. The dampers need rebuilding, the seals are perished, the bushings need replacement.
Subscribe Back2Road Garage and press bell icon to stay tuned.
I'm starting the engine prep now. I want to see what we're working with before tomorrow.
The oil pan is in good condition, no damage. The oil residue is old but clean, no metal particles. The engine has been well maintained.
The turbos are seized. The wastegates are frozen. The housings are corroded. These will need a full professional rebuild day. We'll send them to a specialist. The block is solid. The cylinder bores are smooth, no scoring. The engine is in good condition internally. The rebuild will be straightforward.
The pistons and connecting rods are in good condition. The rings are intact. We'll clean them, inspect them properly, and reassemble with new rings and bearings.
First piston is in.
The connecting rod is ready for the crank.
First cylinder head is on and torqued to spec. First cylinder head is on and torqued to spec. The cylinder heads are in excellent condition. The camshafts are smooth. The valves are intact. The springs are good. We'll clean them, lap the valves, and reassemble.
The crankshaft is polished and within specification. It's ready for installation.
The new rings are installed. The pistons are ready for installation.
The crankshaft is in good condition, the journals are smooth, the bearing surfaces are intact. We'll polish it and fit new bearings. The bottom end is solid, the block is solid, the cylinder bores are smooth, no scoring. The engine is in good condition internally. The rebuild will be straightforward. The heads are in good condition, the valves are intact, the camshafts are smooth. The engine has been well maintained, or it was when it was last run.
Main bearings are installed. The crankshaft is ready to go in. The cylinder heads are in excellent condition. The camshafts are smooth. The valves are intact. The springs are good. We'll clean them, lap the valves, and reassemble.
Both cylinder heads are on and torque it to spec. The top end is complete. Welder is ready. I'll start with the front rails. The reinforcement will be strong and clean.
Subscribe Back2Road Garage and press bell icon to stay tuned.
Clear coat is ready. The base coat is dry. The panels are ready for the clear. The color will be sealed, protected, and made glossy.
The body panels are ready. The car is ready to become whole again.
The paint is perfect, thick, even, consistent. Rosso Corsa is back, better than new.
The paint is complete. The Rosso Corsa is back. The car is red again.
The paint is documented. The Rosso Corsa is captured in its full glory. Phase 10 is complete.
Subscribe Back2Road Garage and press bell icon to stay tuned.
The panels are flawless. No orange peel, no dust, no imperfections. The paint is perfect. The car is ready for assembly.
The harness is rebuilt. It's ready for installation. Phase 11 begins now.
Battery is charged. 12.6 volts. We're ready to test the circuits. Fuses are good. We're ready to power up the system.
The engine is bolted in. The heart is secure.
The exhaust is installed. The car is ready for the body panels. The seat is installed. The driver's position is ready. The transmission is connected. The drivetrain is complete. Transmission is installed. The drivetrain is complete.
The engine is torqued, secure.
The engine bay is wired, the sensors are connected, the ECU is in place. The car is ready for the first electrical test.
Flywheel is installed. The clutch is next. Clutch is installed. The transmission is ready to go. All circuits are functional. The electrical system is complete.
No fuel pressure. The pump is priming, but the pressure isn't reaching the rail. We have a fuel issue.
The fuel line was loose at the filter. It's seated now. We should have
First crank. Here we go.
It moves. The car moves under its own power. It's alive.
Open the door.
Thank you for letting me bring you back, for giving me this journey. I'll never forget it.
The prancing horse is perfect. The car is a Ferrari again.
The NACA duct is perfect. Every detail is perfect. The paint is perfect. The car is perfect. We did it. The transformation is complete. I have the full documentation, from discovery to completion. The car's history is documented. The restoration is complete.
The sun is setting on this project, but the car is just beginning. It lives again, and that's all that matters.
Subscribe Back2Road Garage and press bell icon to stay tuned.